Good morning, everyone. I miss you so much. I hope you watch this video because it's important to know all the information about chapter 11. We will revise it together, okay? To remember all the things that you take it or that you took it in chapter 11. First, lesson number 1. What is sound? What is sound? We can hear the sound everywhere around us. We can hear the sound of the instrument. We can hear the sound of our voice while we are talking. We can hear the sound of the peoples, of the cars, or whatever. Sounds is all around us. Sound is made when the particles vibrate quickly back and forth. So, sound is made when the objects vibrate. When the object vibrate, sound is made. What is the meaning of vibrate? Means to move very quickly, okay? Back and forth, back and forth. Here it is, the particles of the air. We said that the matter has small particles inside it. Air is a gas matter. Can you see here? Can you see those particles, a small one? So how the sound is made? Those particles in the air, okay, it move very quickly and fast, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, together, until it reach your ear. Then you can hear the sound. So, what is the meaning of sound? Sound is made when something vibrates back and forth very quickly. Vibrate means to move. Let's see here how those instruments vibrate. When the instrument vibrate like this drum, when you push the drum, okay, or hit the drum by using those tools or those wood, the drum will vibrate. Then the vibration of the drum will make the particles in the air to vibrate too. So the drum will vibrate, then the particles vibrate back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, very quickly, very quickly, until it reaches your ear so you can hear the sound. So sound happen when the object vibrate back and forth very quickly. Okay? How can we describe the sound? I can say that we can describe the sound by how loud the sound is or how low the sound is. So it means how loudness of sound. Loudness means how loud or soft sound is. Remember, loudness means how can we describe the sound by what? I can say that the kitten here has soft sound and the ambulance has loud sound. Okay, I can tell you the loudness of the sound, the loudness of the sound. Okay, so the kitten will have soft sound. The ambulance will have loud sound. Okay, this is the loudness of the sound. How loud or soft sound is. Okay, I have here different pictures of the animals. I can say or of the objects. I can say that the train has loud sound. The truck has loud sound. The lion has loud sound. What about the mice? or the mouse has soft. While you are sleeping, loud or soft? Soft. Okay, the fish soft. So sound, we can describe it by the loudness of it, how soft or loud the sound is. Let's move to lesson number 2. Now, did you remember that I told you a story about there is three bears, daddy and mother and baby. They were going to the forest in just walking in a forest. Then they fall in a big hole. So what did they say? They shout, okay, very high. So I said they have different sound. Like what? Like the daddy bear, he shouted like so, and mother shouted like ah, and the baby shouted like ah. So which one will have low or high sound than the other? Of course, we will hear the baby more. Okay? Why? Because it has high pitch. It has high pitch. So pitch means how high, okay, or low the sound is. How high or low sound is. How high or low sound is. Here it is. I made the pitch by using my voice. High or low sound is. So I can say if the vibrate if the sound vibrates very quickly, okay, it means that you have a high pitch. If the vibration of sound is slowly, means you will have low pitch. So vibrate quickly will have high pitch. Vibrate slowly will have low pitch. Okay? Vibrate quickly will have high pitch and vibrate slowly will have low pitch. So the bird will have high pitch, okay? And the frog, bellbug frog, will have low pitch, okay? Low pitch. Also, we talked about here it is the bird and the billbug frog, okay? It has low pitch and the bird high pitch. And we said if the bottle is empty, okay, it make low pitch. But if it is filled with water, it will make a high pitch, okay? High pitch, try to make it in your home. And when um, the bottle is filled with water, okay, it make high pitch. But when it is not filled with water or empty, okay, it will make low pitch. Can you see the difference? High pitch and low pitch. Okay, this is lesson number 2. Now let's move to lesson number 3 and 4. Now, how can the sound travel, okay, through the object? Sound can travel through different kind of matter. It can travel through the solid, it can travel through the liquid, and it can travel through the gas, okay? So let's now know which one is fastest to travel through it. Which one? Here it is, the solid, okay? The particles of the solid are held each other tightly, means they are beside each other. Okay, the particles of the solid matter, they are beside each other. That's how they form for us the solid, okay? And the particles of the gas, they are not beside each other, just hold each other loosely. Means beside each other, but there is a space between them, okay? A small space between them. Then the particles of the gas, they are not beside each other at all, okay? They everywhere. There is a huge space between them. Okay, so what do you think, which matter, okay, which matter will the sound travel through it fastest than the other? Now, if I knock this table, okay, the table will vibrate. So it will make the particles of the solid vibrate, right? So the sound, because the particles, they are beside each other in the solid, the sound will travel through the solid fastest. The fastest matter that make the sound travel through it is solid, because what? The particles of the solid, they are beside each other. So when the first particles vibrate, it will make the second one to vibrate, will make the third one to vibrate, the fourth, until it reach to my ear fastest, because they are beside each other. They can vibrate together very fast, okay? Beside each other, they can vibrate together very fast. But what about the water or the liquid? It can vibrate also faster, but not fastest as the solid. So it is fastest. Sound can travel through solid fastest. Then the liquid faster. Why? Because there is a space between the particles. So when it vibrates, okay, it will take time until it reaches the second particles. It will take time until it reaches the second particles. So the sound travel through the liquid faster only. Okay. What about the air? Particles travel through the air, or the sound travel through the air fast only. Why? Because there is a huge space between the particles, so it takes more time to travel to our ear. So sound travel through the solid fastest, sound travel through the liquid faster, sound travel through the gas fast only. Okay, the fastest one is solid, then liquid, then gas. Okay. Now let's move to the sound of the animals, okay? Here it is, how the sound travels through the solid. It's high. If this woodpecker knock the tree, we can hear the sound in the tree. And the lion, okay? Sound of lion travel through the air. Sound of dolphin travel through the liquid, because they live in the water, right? They talk to each other under the water. Okay, now sound, how the sound of the animals look like. The cricket, can you see this insect? It's called cricket. Cricket sound, it is the same as if you move your finger in the, okay, across the comb. So cricket sound, same as if you move your finger across the teeth of the comb. Try to bring comb, then move your finger across the teeth of the comb. When you hear this sound, it is the same as cricket sound, okay? Cricket sound, okay, it is the same as, when it makes the sound, it is the same as when you move your finger across the comb, okay? It makes the sound by or rubbing one wing to other wing. So the wings, where they are rubbing to each other or moving with each other, they make the sound as a comb sound when you move your finger into it. Then a rattlesnake has a rattle in its tail. The end of the tail, it has a rattle. So it make sound, okay, by shaking its rattle. So rattlesnake has sound same as what? As maracas. This is kind of an instrument, okay? So rattlesnake shake its tail or shake its rattle in its tail to make same sound as maracas. Rattlesnake, maracas, rattlesnake, maracas, and cricket cricket sound as comb. Cricket makes same as comb when you move your finger in the comb, and rattlesnake shake its rattle to make sound same as maracas. Okay, then here it is, spiny lobster. Okay, it makes sound same as the violin. Okay, the violin same as the spiny lobster. Okay, spiny lobster use the antenna. Okay, to make sound. Use its antenna to make sound same as the violin. Okay, an instrument. The violin instrument same sound as spiny lobster. Okay, using its antenna. It wraps antenna beside its head, means it move the antenna beside its head so it make the sound same as the violin. We finished now the chapter. I hope you enjoy watching it, and I prefer to watch all the video to answer the questions easy with me. Okay? Thank you for all of you.